How to fix Beat Solo 3 only one side working. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now basically, in order to fix this problem, you need to have the Beats plugged in on your device or Bluetooth to your device. You can just go ahead and try restarting your Bluetooth connection if that's the issue, and if you're using something like a wired connection, you want to go ahead and plug the Beats into another USB port, because the USB port that might it have been plugged to might be broken. So you can just go ahead and try that. You want to make sure that your Bluetooth connection is up to date. To do so, you can just go ahead and search for Bluetooth drivers right here. And from here, you then want to make sure that you update the latest version on your device. In my case, I'm using Windows 10. So I'll just go ahead and click on the Intel drivers Bluetooth right here. And you can just go ahead and install this to your device. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.